planning a sing-along. Good. I'm gonna take a nap.
The afternoon is looking good here on Radio Avalon. You're now one for all the nostalgics out there. A blast from the past all the way back from 2003. That beautiful time when people refused to accept the future was just around the corner.
Hey, you're snoring.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. He always snored.
Where are we?
Canterbury. We're close.
Anyone know if there's a hotel around here?
What?
Julian promised me a little bit of action.
You still like it in the afternoon?
So what'd you do? Rob a train? Blow up a building?
Leave the girl alone. You told me he was suave. Wankers are drunk.
He's suave. Should have seen him in the old days when he was a real activist.
You were the activist. I just wanted to get laid.
One time, the police came to throw us out of our squat, and Theo invited them up for coffee to negotiate, only the coffee was spiked with ketamine.
No. You did you?
Oh, fuck off. You gotta be kidding.
You know how many people I've tried
I
this
don't
with?
wanna know.
You'll be happy to know, out of the hundreds,
Hundreds?
you are still the only
I'm not doing it.
one. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
The
are.
car's moving
yes,
too
you
much.
Are. Mm-hmm. You are. Right? Hilarious. No, wait. Okay.
Do it again. Julian, that's disgusting. Look out!
Jesus!
Go. We're gonna make it. Come on, we're
I'm
gonna
not
make
gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Jesus! Right!
Jesus!
It's all done!
Cover key!
Get down! Fuck! How is she? How is she? She's bleeding. She's bleeding everywhere. Jimmy.
Put pressure on the wound!